Everybody can juggle 2 balls.
But have you ever tried juggling 3?
The first mistake I made was thinking that I had to juggle in a circular motion, throwing 2 balls in the air while passing the last ball to the throwing hand. And although yes, this is a valid juggling variation, the most basic 3-ball juggling method is the cascade. Let's start with 2 balls. Hold 1 ball in each hand and throw one of the balls into the air. But before you catch it, throw the other ball into the air. Then, become really familiar with both the left hand and the right hand starting the throw.
Practice this until you're confident, and then try a 3rd ball.
Start with 2 balls in one hand and the remaining in the other. The hand with 2 balls will throw first. Throw 1 ball in the air and before catching it, throw the second, then the third. I found it quite tricky at first. However, I easily fixed this by starting with higher throws, and then over time, I tried to make them lower. Once you get the method down, it's just copy and paste. So practice over and over and over again until you can get it every single time.
Let's go.